Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my fifth lesson of D3 chapter number 9, exercise 9b, that is about the bearings and application of trigonometry in real world. Students, in this lesson we'll be discussing question number 5, basic level, and let me read the question from the book. Question 5 says that a petrol kiosk P is 12 kilometer due north of another petrol kiosk Q. A bearing of the police station R from P is 135 degrees and from Q is 120 degrees, and we have to find the distance PR. Okay, then let me read the question once again. Okay, the petrol kiosk P, okay, so this will be the position for P, is 12 kilometer due north of another petrol kiosk Q. The bearing of police station R, this is the place for the police station R, from P is 135 degrees. So this will be the bearing of the police station from P, and 120 degrees is the bearing of police station from the Q. And then we have to find the distance PR. Okay, PR. So if we look at the diagram, PR is the face in front of Q, so I will mark it with letter Q. And then this is small r and this is small p. Now look, I have one side with me, and initially in the beginning we are given with just one angle, 120 degrees with us. Then what can we do? If we look at the diagram, we can see that this turn is of 135 degrees, and if we look at this whole turn, it is making a semicircle. And recall your previous knowledge from D1 that what angle will be formed when we are taking a turn of semicircle, 180 degrees. Out of this 180 degrees, we have some portion of angle 135 degrees. So in order to get this internal angle P, I will be subtracting 135 from 180, and I will left with 180 minus 135, and this is 45 degrees. Now I have two angles of triangle with me, and if I want to find this third angle of my triangle, that is angle R, I can calculate it easily, that angle P plus Q plus R equals to 180 degrees. We are trying to find the third angle of this triangle. Angle P has a value 45 degrees and Q has a value 120 degrees, and R has a value we do not know, R unknown, 180 degrees, and 120 plus 45 is 120, 165 if I'm not wrong, 165 degrees plus R equals to 180 degrees, and R equals to 180 minus 165, 180 degree minus 165. Take away 165 from 180, students, and this will give me 15 degrees. So angle R has the value 15 degrees. Okay, let me mark it over here. This is 15 degrees. Now actual requirement of the question is distance PR. Now look, students, that in front of PR we have the angle given to us, and we have one side and corresponding angle with us. So in order to find the length PR, we have to apply sine law. Okay, in triangle PQR, in triangle PQR, PQ and R, what we are going to do, Q upon sine 120 degrees, Q upon sine 120 degrees equals to this is R, which is 12 upon sine 15 degrees. Now I have to calculate the values of sine 120 and sine 15 degrees carefully. Sine 120 degrees is 0.86, 0.8660, and 12 upon sine 15 sine 15 is 0.2588. Okay, now what we have to do in order to get value of q, we have to go for cross multiplication. 12 multiplied by 0.8660 divided by 0.2588. Q equals to 12 multiplied by 0.8660 is 10.392 divided by 0.2588, and now I have to divide this answer by 0.2588, and this gives me 40.15, and measurements are in kilometers. So q, which is actually PR distance will be equal to q, and which is equal to 40.15, which is approximately 40.2 to the nearest 3 significant figures. Students, I hope you are really clear about this question. Please watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.